IMTGT Varsity Carnival is more than just an event on the university calendar. It is a cherished tradition that lives in the hearts of the IMTGT community. For more than 2 decades, this carnival has brought together students from our 3 nations in the spirit of friendship, creativity, and collaboration. It stands as a powerful symbol of how young people can connect beyond borders and build understanding through culture, sports, and shared knowledge. As I look around this hall, I see the future of IMTGT, a generation that is confident, innovative, and ready to shape tomorrow. Each one of you represents the hope and energy that drives this region forward. You are not just participants, you are ambassadors of IMTGT's enduring spirit of unity and cooperation. As many of you are aware, the IMTGT Corporation was established in 1993 with a simple but powerful goal to promote inclusive growth through partnership among neighboring provinces and states of Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. Today, that vision continues to grow stronger. IMTGT now brings together 35 member provinces and states, which consists of 10 provinces in Sumatra, 11 states in Peninsular Malaysia, and 14 provinces in southern Thailand. This increased membership reflects a growing recognition of the value of regional cooperation across key sectors including economy, environment, tourism, transport, human capital, development, and other key areas. And just as IMTGT continues to expand, I sincerely hope that the IMTGT Varsity Carnival will grow alongside it, reaching more universities, welcoming more young talents, and connecting even more hearts across our 3 nations.
That 3 nations, Malaysia, Indonesia, and Thailand, work together hand in hand, one heart, moving together toward progress and harmony. We are bound not by proximity alone. We are very close to one another. We are in fact a neighboring country, and all the universities are located close to one another. But we are all connected by shared dreams, dream of friendship that transcends borders, of culture that enrich one another, and youth that believe that unity is our greatest strength. As we look ahead, the IMTGT Varsity Council will continue to strengthen our partnership not only through sports and culture, but also through innovation, sustainability, and education. Together, we shall nurture a generation that embodies the ASEAN spirit of united, dynamic, and compassion.
The IMTGT Varsity Carnival as a platform to further international relations within the Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand growth triangle through the cultural performances, academic seminar, and sporting events. The main objective is to promote cooperation, friendship, sharing, harmonious coexistence amidst cultural and ethnic diversity. This year's theme, Diving Global Citizen, reflects Thaksin University vision to be a leading social innovation university in Thailand, the University of Globalization. Global Citizen is the hope for a new world for equality, equity, empathy, and humanity. The future is yours. The future is your young people, young generation. For more than 20 years, the IMTGT Varsity Carnival has stood as a symbol of enduring friendship, cultural exchange, and unity, a bliss that continue to carry us forward into the future of hope and opportunity. In the challenging world and dynamic society, where people across the globe are connected to the social media and virtual spaces, creating new spaces opportunity and imagination will lead us toward a sustainable shared future. This is our common challenge as a member of IMTGT Varsity Carnival. I truly hope that the IMTGT Varsity Carnival 2025 will be filled with joy, smile, friendship, meaningful exchange, and wonderful memories. There is a saying, meeting new friend is a precious gift, meeting old friend is a treasure of life. May you discover both precious gift and life treasure here at Thaksin University as we journey together through this wonderful celebration. Thank you ขอบคุณและยินดีต้อนรับสู่มหาวิทยาลัยทักษิณทุกท่านครับขอบคุณครับ